How to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the WhatsApp messages, photos not showing in your gallery section. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app and get logged into your WhatsApp account number. Tap on three-dot icon on your top right and tap on to settings. Now at this page, tap on to storage and data. As you do so, you will see media auto download. Under here, tap on when using mobile data and check the box that says photos. If you would like to download audios and documents as well, you may check all these boxes and tap on to OK. Now come to the second option and check all these boxes and do the same for a third as well. And just like so, now you will be able to auto download messages like photos in your gallery section. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then be sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.